What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at thread safety in Python. So what exactly is thread safety in Python? So thread safety ensures code functions correctly when accessed by multiple methods, and this guarantees predictable behavior despite thread order. Without it, code becomes vulnerable to race conditions and data corruption issues hard to debug. So thread safety is crucial for shared mutable data and operations that must be atomic. So why thread safety matters? Threads in Python share memory, making data vulnerable to race conditions, and the global interpreter lock provides automatic thread safety, but you still need locks for IO, C extensions, and also logical consistency. Last but not the least, common Python thread tools like the lock are the lock, rlock, semaphore, queue, and many others. So thank you for watching this video. Let's get straight to the next video on the playlist. If you don't understand anything in this episode, do well to let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.